So today's topic is ear disease. Ear disease is also known as otitis externa, that's what vets call it. There are lots of different signs that your dog or cat may show if they have got ear problems. So sometimes they will scratch at their ears, some of them will hold their head to the side, some of them will shake their head if they've got sort of irritated ears. Some may have a nasty smell from there, or the ear itself might look very red and sore, and some may be reluctant to sort of let you touch anywhere near their face. They may go a bit head shy, and some might actually cry if you sort of touch them in a certain area. Now, there's lots of different things that can cause ear problems. It's not just one simple thing. So sometimes it could be an ear infection, so that could be bacteria or yeast. It could be a parasite, like ear mites can cause problems. Sometimes they can have something stuck in the ear, like a grass seed or a foreign body of some kind. It can be relating to allergies, so skin allergies can cause a flare-up of ear disease as well. So it could be a trauma. It's really hard to say, or it could just be a nasty buildup of wax. So it's best to take your pet to see a vet so they can actually determine the cause of the problem. They will have a look down the ear with the otoscope. Sometimes they might take a swab and look at it under the microscope to see if there are any bacteria or yeast or anything like that there. Or sometimes they'll take a swab and send it away to see if they can culture a bacteria if it looks like a particularly nasty infection. Now, there are things that you can try and do to help prevent against ear problems. You can regularly clean the ears out, so use an ear cleaner sort of once, twice a week if your pet has particularly waxy ears. You put the ear cleaner in the ear, give the ear canal a really good massage, then just use a little bit of cotton wool just to wipe around the residue. Now, it's really important not to poke stuff down in the ears. Don't use cotton buds or anything like that. Your vet may give you medicated ear drops to actually put down their dog's ear if they do have a bacterial or yeast infection. So do ensure that you follow their instructions appropriately. It may be sometimes that your dog is actually just too painful to have any of this stuff done, so sometimes they will start them on tablets first to try and help settle down the soreness and redness in the ear before they actually allow you to start putting drops in the ear. And in even severe cases, some of them have to go under anaesthetic to actually have their ears flushed and cleaned out because it is that painful for them. If your dog is suffering with long-term chronic ear problems, then your vet may recommend a surgery to be done on the ear. And there are two different types of ear surgeries that can be performed, but it's best to talk to your vet about this as they are more end-stage type procedures. Okay, if you are worried at all about cleaning out your dog's ears, don't hesitate to go and speak to your vet. Okay, I will try and put up a video here about how to show you how to do it. If your dog is sore and painful and won't let you do it, sometimes you do have to muzzle them because even if they are sore, they might, they can bite you. It's very, very painful thing. So just be very careful. It will probably be within the next week that I post the next video. So the next topic is going to be about fits. Thanks.